Hey y'all, Ken here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely great if you are a Minecraft fan and you are into Legos. And that is because it is the Minecraft, the Blaze Bridge set. A lot of fun to build this set. So this is set 21154. It's going to have a total of 370 pieces, and it is designed for ages 8 and up. Now, the instruction manual, like all Legos, is very easy to follow, breaks down all the various processes and even when to open up the various bags, which makes it a lot of fun. Now, you're also going to get plenty of spare parts for all the little pieces and whatnot, so you don't, if you lose them, no big deal. Now, as far as you can see, here is the set in front of me. To give you an idea, it's about 9 inches wide, it's about 5 inches in depth, and it's about 4 inches in height. You're going to get several little minifigures here. So first off, you are going to get kind of Alex here with the two, basically a pickaxe and a diamond sword. You're also going to get 2 blazes. You'll see one is over here off to the side. What's cool about these is they do spin. The top part and the bottom part both spin. The set is very, very interactive. Then you're going to have the other blaze here that is attached to the top that also spins. There is a little dial here so you can kind of move it back and forth as it's spinning around the spawner on the bridge. And then finally, you are going to also get a nice Wither Scully. And then in addition to that, you are going to have a nice little treasure chest here at the top with some loot in it. And then down below, you're going to have a brewing station and a cauldron with pieces in it as well. Now, as far as an interactive block, it also does have these pieces over here that do fall down with basically like the loose gravel or sand, if you will. But overall, it's a lot of fun. It's a great little build. If you have anybody in your family that loves Minecraft and loves Lego, this set is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.